What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2005 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Custom. It's also got a trike conversion built by FrankensteinTrikes.com. It's a nice kit. Now the odometer on this bike says it's only got like 1,100 miles on it. It's pretty crazy for a 13-year-old bike. It's in pretty good shape. It's got the black cherry paint, 883cc carbureted V-twin, 5-speed transmission. Paint's in good shape, but it does have some oxidation on some of the other parts. You got some on the lower fork legs here. You got a small scratch on the front fender. It's got some pitting on the clutch lever perch, a little bit of oxidation on the switches. It's got a small tear in the seat, and then I think it had a couple of paint chips on this side on the fender. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Some of the finish is wearing up, a little surface rust on some of the suspension parts. Runs and rides good. It's got the passenger backrest. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and gave it a professional detail. Both the tires in the back are good. It's got a brand new Michelin Commander 2 tire on the front. It's a cool little bike. We installed a battery tender pigtail as well. And there you have it, 1,392 miles on this bike. Got some upgraded pipes on it. The motor sounds great. I believe it has 1,300 miles on it. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.